Are we on? Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and today we're going to be testing out the ZOEVA Authentic Skin Foundation. You guys, I haven't filmed in over a week. Last week was really rough. Who else is just struggling during this quarantine? I attempted to vlog, that was a fail. I attempted to film, but just couldn't bring myself to be in front of the camera when I was feeling like absolute shiitake mushrooms. I felt really bad last week and I finally feel a little bit better, so I decided to just do my eyeshadow off camera, play with makeup, and just roll right on in with a foundation video instead of trying to explain to y'all that I'm struggling and all that kind of stuff. But if you want a video about that, let me know. You guys did ask me some questions. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me questions so I could do a Q&A, and I will be doing that, so don't worry. Some of the questions you guys had for me were a bit tough to answer, like how are you dealing with, you know, being in quarantine and what are you doing to help your mood? And I'm like, nothing. I'm literally laying in my bed thinking about everything horrible and falling into deep depression, and yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. We're gonna be honest about it. So today I'm going to be trying out a foundation just to kind of ease myself back into filming. So enough with the chit chat, let's dive in. I used the Mitchell and Beauty Bay palette to do my eyeshadow today. I have a leopard shirt on. I felt let's go orangey and pink kind of vibe. I've got my Ana Luisa earrings on, my heart studs that I got from them. I have not taken out. This is the first time I've taken them out. They've been in for like a month or something like that, almost a month. Love these earrings. They are super high quality, and I'm not just saying that. Link will be down below. I haven't heard too much about this foundation at all. Like I said, it's Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. I got mine in the color 050N Beautiful. I'm neutral, and again, I got all of these shades online. I just placed a huge order on Ulta like forever ago, and that's what I've been using. So, oh, it looks like I've had this for a while and it's starting to separate, so let's give it a good shake. The only workout I'm getting, flap that arm, jiggle. As you can, ow! I just hit myself with this glass bottle. I just like smacked my collarbone as I was shaking it. So as you guys can see, I have acne, scarring. I had a huge flare-up actually during the last week, and that time of the month started, so that is what was going on. It has calmed down since then, but I have a huge zit on this eyebrow. Bruin, it hurts real bad. So I am dry on the outside. Let's count how many times I say so in this video. Come on, girl, stop saying that word. I have dry skin on the outside of my face and I'm oily in the T-zone, so I said it again. Foundations that are luminous actually kind of help the oil and everything. I haven't been experiencing an issue, so I kind of like how the luminous foundations have been looking. Inspired by Zoe's vision that every woman should feel comfortable, beautiful, and confident, Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation was designed to allow you to build your perfect coverage whenever and wherever you feel you need it. I need it everywhere. Enhanced with the nurturing power of rosehip oil, it glides on to give a smooth and weightless finish, allowing your skin's natural luminosity to shine through. And Arlo's crying. Here's Arlo. He's been wanting a snack for quite a while. Oh, yes, it's okay. What's wrong? I told you it's not snack time. You're getting chunky, just like I am during quarantine. What's wrong? Arlo is how I feel right now. I swear he likes me. I'm not torturing him, I promise. On one side of my face, I'm going to be using a beauty blender. This is not wet, so I have to dampen it. And on the other side, let's use the Sigma Kabuki 3D HD brush. I really like this one as well. It can get like nice into the crevices and stuff, so this is my next favorite brush. But again, it's very dense and I really like these brushes. So let me go get this wet and I'll be right back. Alright, there's like 1.5 pumps. It's not as liquidy. I notice like luminous foundations are a little bit more liquidy, and this one isn't that liquidy, so. Smells a little bit like paint, not gonna lie about that. But I am pleasantly surprised with that coverage. I really like it. Let's move that out of the way so we can get this back here. Actually, I just did like a half a pump so I can put that on my forehead. I did my eyebrows beforehand, which I normally don't do. So I'm gonna try not to mess them up, even though they look crappy anyway. I'm really liking that dewy finish. More like luminous, like the bottle said. Love. Oh my gosh, love how that looks with the brush already. So let's see how it looks with the sponge, because sometimes that can take away the coverage. This does seem to spread a little bit more with the sponge, so I'm going in with less product, surprisingly. I feel like this side is emphasizing the texture a little bit more, but I feel like I'm getting more coverage and it's more luminous. I mean, obviously you're adding like a wet product to a luminous foundation. What do you guys think? Sponge side? Brush side? Both are a bit different, actually. I feel like I got the same coverage pretty much on both sides, but I am loving, oh, as I throw my sponge across the room, I'm loving how this looks. Wow. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer under my eyes. I try and stick with the same like concealer and powder and all that kind of stuff just to keep everything consistent, and that's what I would wear with it normally. I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder under my eyes. Kind of dabbing the powder in my T-zone. And then instead of going in like with my Gudetama sponge like I normally do with my powder, where is my sponge here? This is my little Gudetama powder puff that I got, I think in like Chinatown in San Francisco, or at like a Asian store. It was with like another powder, but I just have washed and kept the puff. So this is the puff that I always use with my powders. But I think I'm actually going to just do a light dusting. I'm going to use the Sigma F30 here, and I'm just going to kind of go in with my Maybelline SuperStay powder and just kind of lightly dab. I feel like I'm getting really good coverage with this, and I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm not worried about it looking too crazy. I'm going to go in with some different stuff today. I'm going to go with the Besame Cosmetics Golden Sand Bronzer in this beautiful compact here. I feel like it is emphasizing like some of my pores a little bit. I'm going with the Ciate Marbled Light Halo Blush. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild Highlighting Platinum Bar in the color Mega Glow. Forgot I have this, so let's try this out. Wow. I'm going to set my face. I've been using this setting spray, you guys. I really think this is what's been keeping my foundation like locked. This is the Catrice HD Active Performance Freezing Spray. Makeup's going to stay in place all day while you're watching Hulu with your boo, playing Minecraft, because that's all I've been doing lately. But you see how it's just like emphasizing like some of the pores right here. But we glowy, she here, she glowy. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyeshadow real quick here. So like finish my eyes, put some eyelashes on, put a lip on, and I'll be right back. Hi, yes, can I place an order for pickup? I will do a Southwestern roll, okay, and then a Hot Mama roll and a Philly roll, please. Alright, great. Thank you so much. Hey, bye. Got me some sushi. Here is the finished look. I have eyelashes on from Makeup Geek in the style Graceful. The Makeup Geek eyelashes are amazing. I have the Sigma lip gloss in the color Secret Garden, which is part of the CorDeRosa collection, which is out now. Definitely check that out. The Sigma links and the Makeup Geek links are affiliate links, so if you use those, it'll help me out a lot. And if you don't want to, that's okay too, but I do have coupon codes with both of them, I believe. So everything will be linked down below. Help a girl out if you want to. And yeah, this is the finished look. I am noticing though that it is creasing a lot under my eyes, if you can see, and just like emphasizing the pores in my face for sure. I don't know if it's because I'm not setting it like I normally do. Oh, looking real orange right now. But this is what we're working with right now. I just ordered sushi. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. I know it's really late in the day, but we'll wear this as long as we can. I've been staying up super late, which is not good at all. I've been playing too much Minecraft, like I said, so who knows what time I'll be going to bed tonight. And yeah, let's go and pick up my sushi. Just picked up my sushi. Here's what my foundation looks like outside. I forgot to record it. Just felt really bougie. I had to put a sweater on to like bring myself down. Thank you. I'm so hungry. Pardon the noise. Diving into my sushi here. Little mukbang action. You just appreciate stuff like so much more now. You know what I mean? Like the simple things. Hello, the time is currently 11:30, so I've had this foundation on. Let's see, what time did I finish? Like 6 something, so like 5.5 hours or something like that. But I have to say, this might be a little too dewy for me. I'm a combination girl. It looks good on my dry areas, but in the T-zone and everything, it definitely is a little too oily. I would have to set it some more because like it's just emphasizing like my pores and my lines and everything like that. So I'll zoom in and show you kind of what I'm talking about. Like my pores just are huge. And I got a little push right here, so that's what that was. I picked it. But otherwise, I mean, I think everything looks really great. My concealer creased a lot, which it normally does not do. So I got like, you know, some smudging from my mascara. This is a waterproof mascara that I wore on my bottom lashes. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, I think it looks really flawless. I think it looks really just natural. So if you're dry, obviously, definitely would recommend this foundation. For us combination girls, I think we can get away with it with a good powder. Like I said, I didn't set it like I normally would, like heavier setting and everything like that. But, I mean, this is a really pretty foundation, but I definitely think the Maybelline Dream liquid foundation is a little bit better than this because this is a little bit more of an expensive, higher end foundation. So those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions. Sorry if you can hear my boyfriend mining on Minecraft in the background. We were just playing Minecraft again. I've been, oh my gosh, I'm 28 years old and I'm playing Minecraft. I got nothing else better to do during this quarantine. My eyeshadow still looks really good. I felt so embarrassed having my full glam on going to pick up sushi because everybody else was like, they had their masks on and they had like sweatpants on stuff, so I put, you know, pretty much like a jogger suit on, and I still like, they were kind of looking at me like, I was like, I know. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed and get ready for bed and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Yeah, bye.